Problema mo sa muka, baka ito na si Mediheal ang sagot. Humabol na kayo sa sale ni Mediheal. Naka 709.99 lang siya, tapos naka free shipping pa. So Mediheal consists of 6 types of toner pad. It has tea tree who has a concern about acne-prone skin. Number 2, Mediheal toner pad who has concern about lifeless skin. Number 3, Mediheal toner pad retinol collagen who has a concern about facial wrinkle. Number 4, Mediheal toner pad metamide who has a concern about dull dark skin. Now, Mediheal toner pad phytoenzyme who has a concern about uneven skin. And last but not least, Mediheal toner pad watermind who has a concern about dehydrated skin. So, wag na kayo magpahuli at gumamit na kayo ng Mediheal toner pad. The problem of your face will solve by the use of Mediheal toner pads.